Let's have a look at the modern periodic table in order to compare with Mendeleev's periodic table. Before we study periodic table, let's have a fresh look at the modern periodic table and see what is missing in the Mendeleev's periodic table. First of all, I want to focus on this part, the noble gas family, and the other part is the lanthanides and actinides. These are lanthanides and actinides. These three parts are completely missing in Mendeleev's periodic table. So, apart from that, as you can see, things are arranged in using atomic number 12, and it goes to 13, 14, 15 in increasing order of atomic number. And if you just leave or ignore this, and the next one will come here 19, 20, it increases according to the atomic or nuclear charge. And one advantage we are going to see why using atomic number over is that more advantageous over using atomic mass. We are going to mention the reason why. But think of this periodic table by removing this lanthanide series and the actinide series. These series are really removed from period 6. This belongs to period 6, and this belongs to period 7. So they are detached or set off from the period 6 and period 7 just to save space. At the same time, these 58, 59, starting from cerium to lutetium-71, they have a very closer similarity in chemical and physical property. So it's very difficult to separate one from the other. That's why they are assigned in one area so that they are highly similar to each other. So if you see 58, we have 57 here. So at this point, we have this part. And another point, the lanthanide series, if you see 90, 89 is here, so 90 begins here. This is 90, and this is so you can end 58, then it ends in 71, then 72 continues here. It starts from 90, and 103 is occupied, so it begins 104. So the space between 89 and 104 is period 7, lanthanides, no, actinides. The space between 57 to 72 is occupied by lanthanide series from 58 to 71. This is according to modern periodic table, and as I told you, period 6 and period 7, which is lanthanide and actinides, and the noble gases are completely were not part of the periodic table. But one similarity again we can draw about Mendeleev's and Moseley's modern periodic table. There is a term called periodicity. Periodic. Each element will have similar property with another element after some interval. So we are going to see what periodicity means. So if we see helium, after some duration or interval, I will have another similar property, neon. Helium and neon will repeat the same behavior. Again, after a duration of some distance, it will have again another argon. The same is true here, lithium, sodium, potassium. So it shows periodicity. After some interval, the same kind of property in chemical and physical property will show up in the periodic table. This is what means periodicity.